Hi, my name is Lori Peak, and I'm an associate professor of sociology at Colorado State University. And today I was the moderator for panel 3, which was on information needs for disaster recovery. And we had 4 panelists representing different sectors. They included Ron Iguchi, who's the president of ImageCat Inc. in Los Angeles, David Abramson, who is the Deputy Director for Research at the National Center for Disaster Preparedness at Columbia University, Leslie Field, who is a risk asset manager at Pacific Gas and Electric, and then Mark Prutsales, who is the President and CEO of Sahana Software Foundation, which is an open source software nonprofit organization that really tries to bring information and technology to disaster-affected communities. So it was a really, really interesting group of people who brought decades of disaster experience. They responded to over 50 events, published widely, and have really made a lot of difference in terms of disaster response and recovery. So what our goal for our panel was we were really looking at information needs at different moments in terms of planning for recovery, but also informing recovery after a disaster has happened. So we talked about information needs before an event, and so how do you try to understand and predict what the recovery needs might be? We talked about recovery information during an event, so how do you capture real-time information in terms of impacts to try to predict recovery? And then we also talked about recovery needs after disaster, so how do you inform, assess what went well, and learn for the next time? So that was really the theme of our session, and we had a lot of really good presentations and dialogue afterwards.